What's up, guys? All Pro Exterior Services here. Let me wipe y'all. So anyway, we got a house, partial roof, and some flat work. So we did the walkway. We're gonna soft wash the paint and stuff, of course. We're gonna be doing the front of this roof. And there's a section right here in the back. Let me see if I can show you guys. Got some moss on it. You see it right here? Right past the shed. So we're doing house, you know, the whole nine, except the whole roof. This was a referral. We're getting a lot of referrals. I mean, we almost, we're very close to referrals only business, you know? I mean, it's just, it's a blessing for sure. But I got Tony and Gaviano in the flat work. So they're gonna be handling that for now. Almost done with that. You gotta be, this driveway is kind of broken up bad. So you gotta be cognizant of that. You don't want your spray bar and your surface cleaner to knock it out. That'll put you out of business. So we got that going good. We're gonna hit this. I did spray some degreaser on here. I don't know how good it's gonna work, but you know, right here too. Beautiful kitchen. We're gonna do all this as well. It's all green. And we're just gonna spray this little deck off here. So let me show you. See if we get a better shot of this side of the roof. See, this was part of the walk around. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. So we're thinking about, and there's nothing over here vegetation wise, so we're golden. Just rocks. That's even better. And the front's got gutter, so we're golden there. But guys, I want to tell you guys, you know, like I went on a call the other day, a quote, customer called for a quote. It was like, hey, look, I got this quote and this quote. And naturally, I would have fell in between both of those quotes just based on looking at the house and everything. So I walked them through our process and, you know, I then just, hey, what we do, introduce myself, our company, family-owned business, etc., etc. Went through the process of how we do things with, this is a roof wash, on a roof wash. And we were higher. We weren't the highest, but we were higher. There's some other people right there. I don't know what they're thinking, but anyway. And I said, look, do your due diligence, check around. You know, whoever you feel comfortable with, that's who you need to choose. Left out of there. And an hour later, I got a call. He said, look, you did a very professional job of explaining the process, what you do and how you do it, and why it's done, and what to expect. He says, you're my guy. So, you know, again, it's a little bit of salesmanship. You just be honest, be who you are, transparent, show integrity, you know, the passion about the business, and people see it. Anyway, we're gonna go finish this driveway. I'm gonna go rinse, because I like rinsing, because when I'm not doing nothing, I feel like I'm not doing nothing. So I gotta be doing something. So I would be working the roof right now, and I may use that AR-45 on the roof today. We're gonna see. Back it down about 100, 150, put it at about 4 or 5%, just hit it. So we'll see. Anyway, we'll catch up in a minute. Peace. Flat work done, so we're going to hit the house. So I'm going to go through my settings. Water wide open, soap on 5, SH on. We're going to put the SH on the third line, maybe a little bit past it. 0.8, 0.91. Remember, we got to switch that SH valve. Boom. Okay, so we're going to crank it up. Throttle 3 position, choke on. Let's see if Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prime it real quick. I'm gonna wet this down, prime it. That's what we do. And then catch up with you on some housework. Peace. Guys and girls, we got the, I don't know, we're about 40% washed in the house. Sorry to get no footage, but anyway, we'll just wait on soap. Hit this wall too. Just wait on soap. And I think we got soap, Gaviano. Maybe not, maybe not. Maybe that was a teaser. That was some residual soap from the last one. Nah, that's soap. I wonder if this, I ain't gonna do nothing. All right, watch out. Let me get it, let me get it. Ready? For a nice even coat. Make sure you get behind those walls good. Stucco here, hit the door. Got some nasty stuff right there. I don't know if that's organic or not. And then I'm gonna come in and spray this way so I don't try not to get all this wet. Watch out. All right, move. Work your way out of a hole, baby. I've been caught in a hole before. Need a light coat. I was able to get some footage because I was able to take my shades off and put the camera on my hat. So, I'll pro trying to get y'all some footage. Yeah, we still get the question about, you're gonna kill my plant stuff, you know? You try not to kill no plants. It's not the goal. But, you know, gotta be cognizant, do your due diligence. Spray this down a little bit right here. They got plants and residual dirt and a little bit organic growth. What you trying to spray? You trying to spray? You trying to take my JOB? All right, now watch out, I'm coming out. Ready? You got that brush handy, Gaff? All right. I was gonna say, if you want to try to hit that little gutter over there. You know what I'm talking about? Boy, it's hot. It's getting hot up in here. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get this done. We're going to let this sit for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and rinse some stuff. And stuff you haven't seen already. Put my hat back on and roll with it. Alright, catch up. Peace. Alright everybody, on the third side. Let me get in here and get this window. Make sure we get that window good. The windows are nasty. Third side. All you can do is drench back there. I ain't getting back there in that jungle. Alright, we got a little spot over here on the, make sure I got enough hose here. I'm just gonna hit it again. It's not gonna come off, but you know what? See right here. Okay. Just let that marinate. All right. Let's get this lattice work. The winder. Nice form of algae up here. Suffering. Coming off nice. Perfect mix for this house. I'm gonna hit that roof neck, call it a wrap. And I'm gonna hit these dormers real quick. What are y'all doing? Flagpole. Got a wooden door here that's not sealed. I already talked to the customer about that. She said she's gonna have it sealed, so. Let's see, get it all the way back there. Okay, let's turn our soap off. On the roof, I was going to use the AR, but I decided to water with the AR. So we got a gutter bag here, so we're golden. It's coming out nice. It's like turning white. Got using a 5% with slow-mo. Slow-mo to the rescue. Slow-mo's nice. I just wish it had a scent, you know? If I had no scent. And we don't put a scent in it to cover. I guess I could put like some laundry detergent in there. Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey Tony, make sure you get those green spots heavy on the right. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish this. We got this section, that section, that section. We're done. We're ready to hit the back. So we're just rolling through it. Been here about an hour and 20 minutes. Homeowner came out and requested some additional services, so we performed those, which was cleaning some slate stone. Anyway, all right, guys, we're gonna get caught up. Catch you. Peace.